Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unblock someone on LinkedIn. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for LinkedIn, and you need to log in into your LinkedIn account, and then you need to click on me, and then you need to click on settings and privacy. So once you are here, you simply need to click on visibility, and here you can see blocking. Click on that, and here you can see all the persons that you blocked. You simply need to click on unblock, and first you need to enter your password, and here you can see that enter your password to unblock this member. You will not be able to reblock this member for 48 hours after unblocking. So if you are ready for this, click on unblock member. So let me add my latest password. So maybe I forgot my password, so I can reset and unblock. So I can do that later. So but this is the process by which you can unblock someone on LinkedIn. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.